Hi, Bobbi Jo here. I just wanted to tell y'all about my week before we start making human food. Wednesday, I got my staples out. My sister Carla May went with me for moral support. She went in the vet office with me, but she didn't go back. I didn't want to go back, but Mom told me it would be okay, so I went with the vet tech. After they got all 14 of those staples out, they took me back out to see Mom and Carla May. It seemed like hours, but Mom said it was only 10 minutes. My incision is healed. Here's a video after we were all done and back in the truck. When I got home, Mom gave us one of those chicken and biscuit treats we made. Those were our favorites so far. We are out, so we're going to make some more treats this week. I've been taking it easy. I lounge around the house, try to get comfy when I sleep, and I don't like physical therapy and exercises, but Mom makes me do them throughout the day. She says it's for my own good, but I would rather stay in the bed and hang out in the kitchen and make dog treats. Oh yeah, speaking of hanging out in the kitchen, we got our first negative comment on my chicken and biscuit dog treat video. Mom deleted it, but the person said that Mom should wash her hands more, especially when dealing with a dog in the kitchen, and also said she should be concerned about dog hair getting in food. First of all, we are making dog treats, and I don't mind eating off a dirty floor if Mom drops something because I have a super duper immune system and I don't think a little hair in our dog treats will hurt anything either. But I haven't seen any so far. Also, I'm not on the counters or tables. I'm on the floor or I'm on my dog bed when she cooks. And Mom edits these videos because I'm sure y'all don't want to sit there and watch her washing her hands all day because she is a germaphobe. Ask my dad, he will tell you. And if she's cooking for other people outside of the family, she scrubs the kitchen, the floors, everything, doesn't allow dogs in the kitchen, and she puts her hair up in a hairnet before she even gets the ingredients out. It is probably a lot more sanitary than those fast food places where you stop on your way home from work. Then lastly, I'm not sure why you're watching a dog cooking channel if you have a problem with a dog being in the kitchen. Okay, that's all I'm going to say about that. So back to my health or lack of. I am able to put a little more weight on my leg now. It is slowly getting better, but I refuse to take any more pain pills. They've tried butter bread, peanut butter bread, hiding it in chicken and scrambled eggs, and I know all of their tricks. Mom says as long as I don't pant like I'm in pain, she won't make me take them. I got to spend a little time with my siblings today. Mom let me hang out in the living room with everyone. She keeps a close eye on us though, and if I start to play or try to wrestle with Nolan, she makes us stop and threatens to send me to my room. So I stop and so does he. Oh, and I got to go with Mom and Dad on Thanksgiving down to Georgia to see my grandparents. It takes about an hour and a half to get there, but I wish they would have brought Carla May with us. I ride better with a doggy companion. Okay, so enough about me. Mom worked all week. She only had Thanksgiving off, so she didn't have time to cook. She woke up Thanksgiving morning and she took the drone up because she wanted to get a picture of the Thanksgiving sunrise. After that, she says she needed to cook something to take for Thanksgiving. She didn't plan on cooking anything, but at the last minute decided she was probably going to take something, so she looked in the cabinets and came up with what she needed to make cornbread pudding. She's pretty good at looking around the kitchen and figuring out what she can make with the ingredients she has on hand. So that is what we're going to show you how to make in this video. It is actually really simple to make. Now it does need to bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, but Mom whipped it up, stuck it in the oven, and then she was able to go get her shower and get dressed while it was baking. So first you need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then gather your ingredients. You need a box of Jiffy corn mix. You need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 can of whole kernel corn drained, 1 can of cream corn, 1 egg beaten, a half a cup of melted butter. 1 stick of butter is a half a cup of butter. You can use margarine or a butter substitute if you prefer. Whatever you have on hand will be just fine. First, you melt your butter. Mom puts a little of the melted butter in the bottom of the pan and coats the pan. You beat the egg, you mix in the rest of the melted butter, then you add the corn mix, the condensed milk, and corn. Make sure you drain the can of whole kernel corn before using it. You can also add a little salt, but Mom didn't because her butter has salt in it. Sometimes the corn is already salted too, but she bought the no salt added corn. You mix it until everything is mixed together good and you pour it in a casserole dish. Mom poured it in a disposable pan because that is easier to deal with when taking somewhere because it has a lid and you don't have to worry about collecting your cookware before you leave. You cook it until it is browned. Depending on your oven, it should be anywhere between 40 to 45 minutes. When we arrived to our destination, Mom stuck it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes to heat it back up. It was delicious and everyone loved it. I wouldn't know. I didn't get to have any. I just heard everyone asking how she made it. And she said, stay tuned to Cooking with Bobbi Jo to see how it is made. Way to go, Mom. So there you have it, cornbread pudding, an easy dish to take for Thanksgiving or Christmas or a potluck, and it's sure to get you plenty of compliments. Well, once again, thanks for watching my video and for stopping by to listen to how I'm doing with this hip surgery. I will keep y'all updated. We have a lot more cooking to do, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for updates. Next time we'll be cooking dog treats again. Mom always rotates. One time she'll cook dog treats, the next time she'll do a human recipe. I told her the next dog treats need to have chicken in them again because those were awesome. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, leave a comment below. As Mom always says, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. Just keep your mouth shut. I'll see y'all next time when we make more drool-worthy treats. Have a great weekend.